Good afternoon, friends of the Chicken Protocol. It's time now for the solution to the packet of the week number 4, the one seen on 3/9/12. So last week we had a fairly large packet to go through, and while I didn't want you to sift through the entire thing, I did want you to try and figure out what it was and why this one might be a little bit of a security risk. To start us off, I've circled 3 fields here. The first one indicates that this is a multicast frame. It's got 01 in the beginning of that MAC address. The next field that's circled is that control field, but in this case, because it's less than or equal to 1500, that makes this an 802.3 field, so you may have gone after that. And the next field is the header for 802.2, and these 2 fields indicate that this is going to be a snap frame. Continuing into the logical link control header here, I've circled 2 more fields, one beginning with 00000C, and this is an indication of the organizational code, and in this case, that means Cisco. Next up, we have a field value of 2000 in hex, and this is an indication that the protocol encapsulated is Cisco Discovery Protocol. So if you got that far, congratulations. That is the big part that I wanted to get out of this week. So why did I ask the question about security? Well, right here we have the fields decoded from Wireshark, and we can see that this is clear text. There's no magic that I use to see these, and everything is clearly legible, which gives an awful lot of information to a potential attacker. Well, what does this really tell us? Why is this a security risk? Well, we take a look at the normal hex decode given to us by Wireshark. We can see that we might better ask the question, what doesn't this give us? We can see iOS versions, we can see the port that this came from. So all of that information is contained within this packet. And so an attacker knows exactly what kind of exploits to run against this particular box. Well, thanks again, everybody, for listening. If you like what we're doing here, please subscribe. And if you have ideas for the Chicken Protocol, or for videos that you'd like to see, why don't you go ahead and send an email to me at thechickenprotocol@gmail.com. And as always, you can post things on Facebook. Thanks again, and we'll see you next week for the packet of the week.